million years wondering why I'm here, I'm gonna mix all my slimes together. My first slime is this glittery pink glitter slime.
There. Pick your
So,
favorite
in
song
the bowl.
and dance on the top. On tabletop. On the top of the table. No. Heck no. Shh. Towards the table.
I put that right there. So, my next one is a glittering other one of these. But it's wider. I put less. To write your new dance move.
Create your new dance
MF.
move. So you make it do new dance. No.
A glitter
That's
with
what you have to do.
one that has
Her.
golden glitter. And this is far I got this far. My next one is this purple pink one. I'm thinking this one is very good. That's my brother if you hear him. He won't be nice. So far I get this. Bo, stop. Bo won't be nice and let me do video quiet.
So calm down. Or you color me a picture of a fox. Or you color me a picture of a fox and a beaver. A fox and a beaver.
See, what does it look like, he says. He doesn't,
You see a beaver?
he never.
You see a fox?
Called
You
this
ever
little
watch a movie, The
slime
Fox and the
nest.
Hound?
You know, we'll have a lot of bags.
Fox is like a dog, but it's white and red.
Now it's the only little slime I have. The rest is like,
He's got a white belly and neck and white tip of tail. Everything else, his back, his legs, and all that is. Ooh.
my other one, a pink slime.
You a fool.
Oh, this has,
Okay, draw me
it's like, this is,
a fish.
this has corn cheese.
That's easy.
That much. There's more of the pink here. I know this one is larger though. This is pink. It's supposed to be pink, but it's purple. So now I'm gonna mix all my slimes together. But first, I'm gonna put some pink glitter first.
In the picture, I'm a good guy.
I don't know what color. It's a big slime. I don't put all my slimes together because I'm selling some. So I feel like a lot of slime. So this is now it's turning pink. This is a big pink slime. I might see if it suppose I need to go because I can't really see.
Okay.
Let's see.
Some more glitter.
Cool. Can you draw
I
some
might-
colors for me?
I might sell. Like I might sell this
What
too.
colors you think are pretty?
But I might say some. This is glittery slime. This has like beads in a couple of beads. Kind of comes out, but no. This is what it turned out to be like, and I love this thing. This there's I have to mix more.
Then
Pretty, baby.
say that. This is say that.
That's what I made today. This is
pretty,
what I
baby.
mixed.
Now what's the song now?
Draw me a bee.
A bad honeybee.
Yeah, honeybee. With the stripes.
What?
With the stripes. The black and yellow.
And this is the bow that I used, so.
Yellow and black.
That is my slime that I mixed up today. Probably gonna maybe sell a bit. I got a loss. I'm thinking about mixing all of my slimes. I'm gonna go get some more slimes. Like, mix all my slimes. I have plenty to do.
You know I just put it up there when I was eating it. And you don't put this no, not again. You don't put it.
Got 5 more pretty slimes to put in my slime here. So I have to put it back in the bowl. Put back in the bowl. Put just like this. Grab the bowl. Back in there. Squish it down. Putting the glitter back where. So. So I'm putting this one in first. other one.
Then
Cool.
no more things draw now.
You told me a bunch of stuff you want me to draw me. Bunch of different things.
What?
You told me a bunch of different things that you want to draw me.
Oh, I'm making a tree.
Other one's fine. And this pink sign is going in. This one that I just put in, basically like the last one had like the beads in it, but without beads. The last one that has purple and pink. I'm not mixing this, I'm sorry. Yeah. This is my had got some mixing it. That is my slime that I mixed. And it's big, super big, so bye, see you next time.